house that was built in 1940 with the original 1940 kitchen. Some of the cabinets and flooring were upgraded in that 60, 80 year period of time. The biggest obstacle, it was very small. It was a 7 by 10 foot space, plaster. The challenges is we didn't know what was in the walls as far as electrical and plumbing. So we wanted to take down a wall. We didn't know at the time if that was going to be a load bearing or just an interior wall. And then everything had to be tied into the space. So just to enlarge the space, as opposed to building out an addition to the back, which was very costly, try to keep it within the square footage of the original kitchen and make it more functional. I met with the young man who scheduled the appointment, and then I came back and met with Caitlin, who met me here at the house to do all the preliminary measurements, and she got feedback as to what my vision was for this space and the initial difficulties I had with this space. So she was able to document that and scheduled an appointment for the project manager to come in within the next couple of days to do some preliminary measurements. I think a lot had to do with the trust and familiarity, that you were local in the community, which is very important to me, that you had familiar with these older homes, which was very important to me, and that you could respect my property when working here, as it's an old home and there's some things I wanted to save. So I was very grateful that Caitlin did listen to me and listen to what my vision was and work with me on this, because it wasn't I'm sure it wasn't an easy design to come up with, but how quickly she turned around the vision, the CAD drawings, and the estimate. I was very impressed because I had a certain budget in mind that I'd worked with, and she was very instrumental in helping me stay within the budget.
My name is Caitlin Reeve, and I'm a designer at MV Kitchen and Bath. We first start out meeting with our clients during an in-home consultation, which I had the pleasure of meeting with Charlotte at her home and really discussing with you, what you're looking to do, kind of what you like to incorporate, and also at that time I take the measurements. From there, I then composed a 3D rendering of the space and also a estimate. With the estimate, we really try to stick within our customer's budget as well. And also with the design, I really try to incorporate something that's going to be a little bit different or stand out for them. So Charlotte, during the in-home consultation, she mentioned that she would like to stick with, make the space larger and brighter. So we thought white would be perfect. Now, white is very popular, very common now, so we didn't want just a plain white kitchen that was going to look stark. So with that, for the base cabinets, we went with a different color because the blue tones are very in right now, the navies, the baby blues. So going back to what I was saying, the base cabinets, we went with a bluish gray color. And also I have a lot of clients ask, hey, can we mix metals? And I think you asked me that too. What my opinion was on that, and the answer is simply yes. You can definitely mix different metals together. So with this kitchen design, we mix the stainless steel appliances with the brushed brass, which is very elegant. So we kind of went back and forth with each other during showroom meetings, so that way she could see the materials in person, kind of see what we have to offer, pull everything together with the cabinets, the backsplash, the hardware, because again, that was another, yep. And just kind of pull it all together, and then whatever the client picks, we can incorporate that into the 3D rendering so they can see potentially what the space will look like.